What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug Out, back with another video. This time it is going to be the FN Browning M1900. I don't know if you guys have seen one of these, but anyways, I got it from Black Cat Airsoft. Came in one of these little green boxes, and here we go. Now this is a tiny little thing. Small little old school gun. I think I saw on Forgotten Weapons where he was talking about this was the first pistol with the slide, I think. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. It has all the markings, it has the FN logo here. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the safety over here. Tiny little gun. So you can cock it, pull the trigger. It doesn't shell eject. But it does have little dummy rounds. Tiny little dummy rounds. Little mag. The mag release it has this little button here, and you got to pull the button and then you can release it, like a little tiny little lever type thing. But I don't know if you can see the detail on the grip. Mine was missing this little screw thing. Now it did come with some extras, spring and some pins and stuff, but it was missing that screw. However, it still functions without it, so I think it'll do. But yeah, cool, pretty cool little thing. It's old school. Here's the side view. Top barrel, bottom, back. Pretty dope. Anyways, that's the FN 1900 or M1900. And yeah, that's it. So if you like my videos, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that like button if you like it. Tell your friends. And follow me on Instagram at Desert Bug Out, and stay tuned for more videos. Here's what the round looks like. It's a tiny little round. It only came with one round, but that's alright. I mean, it's a tiny round. It doesn't eject, so it's not a huge deal. But yeah, so stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching. Peace.